Hey Sacramento, let's kick it off with the latest insights into our real estate market. I know many of you are wondering, what's the Sacramento market doing right now? Well, you're in luck, because I'm here today to give you a report from the trenches of what took place in the Sacramento marketplace for the month of May and some trends we saw over those 31 days. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share some tips with you on how to navigate this process, whether you're buying a home or selling one. Let's jump right in. Number one, the average sold price was $633,000, trending up at 4.5% from $606,000 in May of 2023 and up over 2% from $620,000 last month. In May, there were 2,914 property sales, which is down just over 6% from over 3,100 in May of 2023, but over 5.5% higher than the 2,763 sales in the previous month. Versus last year, the total number of properties available this month was higher by over 1,800 units or 49%. This year's bigger inventory means that buyers who waited to buy may have a bigger selection to choose from. The number of current inventory was up 17% compared to the previous month. Finally, we want to look at the ratio of the sold price to the original list price because it shows us the average amount sellers are willing to come down from the original list price. The higher above 100%, the more of a seller's market it is. Well, this month, the sold price versus original list price was 99%, which is the same as last month and the same as it was in May of last year. So what does all of this mean to you? Well, Sacramento is still considered a strong seller's market. Sellers are enjoying a market with less competitive listings and strong pricing. Home buyers might face more competitive conditions, but there are always great opportunities and plenty of deals available. Prices have not come down, no matter what your neighbor might have told you. Sellers, if you're getting ready to sell, be smart. Make sure to declutter your home and do any repairs prior to hitting the market. You also have to make sure your property is marketed correctly to bring in the biggest pool of buyers, both digitally and traditionally. Buyers, it is now more important than ever that you work with an experienced agent who can understand your specific needs. Make sure your agent exhausts every resource to find you homes, not just what's on the MLS. As we navigate the changing real estate market, rest assured that Big Block Realty North is here with the expertise to guide you, whether you're selling your home or searching for your dream property. Remember, every market always has opportunities, and our team is dedicated to helping you find them. Let's make this summer and this year the year that you achieve all your real estate dreams. I sincerely hope you found this information valuable. If there's anything we can do to support you in your real estate journey, please feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help you. We love being Sacramento's real estate resource. Till next time.